If you ever painted anything, you know how frustrating and time-consuming it is to clean, and costly it is to throw away those paint rollers. It takes forever. You get paint everywhere, and you're literally throwing money down the drain. Well, maybe you haven't heard yet, but this problem had an obvious solution, and it was solved years ago. The Roller Squeegee is an incredibly simple yet powerful tool that enables you to completely clean a paint roller. It's clean, fast, easy, it saves you time and money, and it works with any size roller nap. It's also great for the environment, as it saves water, prevents cups of paint from going down the drain, and keeps used roller covers out of landfills. The Roller Squeegee has been the best way to clean a roller cover on the market for years, and it's still going strong. The only roller cleaner that your hands don't get dirty or wet while cleaning. It's time for you to get your must-have tool for every painting project. The one-of-a-kind Roller Squeegee from Obvious Solutions. It will have you asking yourself, why didn't I think of that? Visit ObviousSolutionsInc.com now.